So, you want to resize the canvas? Well, I got you. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at how to basically do that. So, we're back in our favorite painting application. And we have this amazing drawing here that should be worth at least 100,000 tiers. So, you want to resize the canvas? I got you. We're going to go up to image up here. And then we go down to Resize Canvas, and as you can see, maybe I want this to be a little bit more in the center, you know, maybe I don't want this to be as big, so we're going to go ahead and crop it up a little bit. There's a couple ways we can do this. We can just change the actual width, obviously, so we can make it smaller because it's maybe a little bit too big, so we'll maybe make it 2,000 pixels by 2,000 instead of 3,000 by 3,000. And we can also change the height as well if you need to, which I'm going to do. And then we can decide where to anchor it, and we can move it around. So like we can move it down here, move it over here, change the offset essentially, so you can just move it up. I'm going to move it up just a little bit. We'll move around our drawing in a second afterwards. As you can see, it is kind of been cut off, so we'll go ahead and go to this move tool right here, which is the tool right here, which is called transform a layer or selection. Grab that and just move it in the center, and as you can see, we have a perfectly centered, well, not perfectly centered, but we have a perfectly sized canvas that fits our drawing. Obviously, if we want more spacing around, of course, you do that. But yeah, so that's basically how you resize the canvas. It's super easy, and it's much better than doing cropping it to the image size. So if you crop it to the image size, obviously it's going to crop to the size of said canvas. You know what I mean? Or the layer, or anything else like that. So you can if you can scale it, but it's going to scale the image with it. As you can see, when we scaled the canvas, it only scaled the canvas. It did not change the drawing at all. So it didn't mess up our lines. It didn't make them blurry. It didn't make them, you know, weird or jagged, because it didn't change the actual image. It just changed the canvas. We can do this as many times as we want to as well, so we can make this much bigger. We can make it like 5,000 pixels by 2,000, and we make it super long. As you can see, it didn't change the image at all, and you can still freely move this guy around. He's walking to school. Oh my gosh, I like Becky, she's so cute. Anyway, so that's basically how you resize the canvas, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next tutorial, but until then, bye bye.